I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. That line comes from the novel Anne of Green Gables, written by Lucy Maud Montgomery. The surrounding text explains further. October was a beautiful month at Green Gables, where the birches in the hollow turned as golden as sunshine, and the maples behind the orchard were royal crimson, and the wild cherry trees along the lane put on the loveliest shades of dark red and bronzy green, while the fields sunned themselves in aftermaths. Anne reveled in the world of color about her. "Oh, Marilla," she exclaimed one Saturday morning, coming dancing in with her arms full of gorgeous boughs. "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. It would be terrible if we just skipped from September to November, wouldn't it?" It's good writing. The words dance on the page, and it's hard to read that bit of prose and not find yourself a little calmer and more in touch with the beauty that we often overlook. As someone whose career was in education, October was always my favorite month and still is. August and September were full of tasks associated with the beginning of school, and in November, the attention turned to busy holiday season activities. But nestled in between is October, the Oasis of October. So when Anne says it would be terrible if we skip from September to November, I see far more than a crazy thought that would leave a gap in the calendar. Instead, I see a world that would merely change from one kind of busy to another kind of busy. It would skip the chance for us to stop and enjoy the world around us. If there was a new project to undertake, October was my opportunity. The same holds true today. Relaxation and rejuvenation is also important, and October provides the perfect atmosphere. With just a nip in the air, it's cool enough, but not too cool, to enjoy coffee out on your deck. So, what does October mean to you? How do you describe October? Do you think about it as a time where the hot summer days are behind us? Do you think about trees turning wonderful colors? In a world that sometimes seems like it's lost its mind, October is the perfect time to look around and enjoy the beauty all around us. But October is also a time for significance, and that's probably the point to this whole story. October offers us a chance to use some time for something that will make a difference. Is there a project that you've been wanting to undertake? Well, go ahead and get started. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish before the goblins come knocking at your door at the end of the month. Do you need to just clean up your system? Are there tasks on your list that have been sitting there? Maybe it's time to trim the fat. Do you have maintenance tasks that keep your life running, but they're being neglected? How could you clean up your productivity system so that these tasks aren't overlooked? They're the lubricant that keeps the productivity engine running. October, however, gives us a chance to step up a level and see our relationship to the world in a larger perspective. Yes, Anne, it would be terrible if we skipped that opportunity, if we skipped from September to November. Returning to Anne. Anne says, "Look at these maple branches. Don't they give you a thrill?" Several thrills. I'm going to decorate my room with them. And you know, one can dream so much better in a room where there are pretty things. To me, Anne suggests we give ourselves the gift of nice, organized surroundings, a place that gives our days pleasure and promote dreams for even better tomorrows. You and I work hard. You and I deserve nice things, pretty things. And with all the things we complain about, if we look around, there's plenty of beauty that we may have overlooked. Many of us have put dreams on hold until the time is right. Well, perhaps the right time is right now. Some years ago, my good friend Jason Womack wrote a book entitled Your Best Just Got better. It's an incredible title. The Oasis of October is upon us, and October provides an incredible opportunity. Don't waste another October. It's the opportunity to end the month a better version of ourselves. Thanks for stopping by today. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.